Friends, good morning again. I am going to tell you new pattern. It is not used in India. I don't know. I'm not sure anyone is using this pattern in India while doing the trading. This is new pattern. A trader must be aware of this pattern. So their trade will different from others and he can get a profit. The pattern is called diamond top. So you can see the diamond top pattern. This is the diamond top pattern. This is a kind of diamond. You see pattern is forming a diamond and stock is after breaking the resistance line, stock is going in downtrend. So to draw this pattern you have to draw the trend line, and you see it is two symmetrical line merger. That also you can see. I already told two symmetrical pattern. If you merge two symmetrical pattern from back to back, you will get diamond top. So in trading you have to correlate everything to make trading easy. This pattern can be used in swing trading. I recommend you to use 30 minutes and 1 hour chart. Diamond top. What is diamond top? Diamond top is a bearish trend reversal chart pattern. Diamond top is formed by two juxtaposed symmetrical triangles. So as forming a diamond top has preceded by a bullish trend. This pattern marks enthusiasm of buying, current and investor indecision. Volatility and oscillator increase in the first half of the pattern, symmetrical broadening wedge pattern, then decrease in the second half of pattern, symmetrical triangle. A diamond top price objective is calculated by plotting the minimum height of the diamond at the exit point. Please remember. In general, the exit movement is as fast as the upward movement preceded. So I already shown you the diamond pattern. So target, this is the target. You can take middle of that is the target. The statics, let's go ahead with the statics of the diamond pattern. Trader must be aware of this. In 80% of cases, the exit from diamond top is bearish. Please remember, in 95% cases, the price objective of diamond top of reach, which is rarely good after exit. In 59%, the price make a pullback in resistance on the support line of the symmetrical triangle, second half of diamond. That you have to remember. Notes, I am providing you some notes on the diamond top pattern. Diamond top appear 3 times more than often than the diamond bottom. Sometimes the price line forms a head and shoulder within diamond top. A diamond top pattern is very difficult to spot. Please remember, you have to make a lot of practice on daily chart and often forgotten by traders. The first half of diamond top is symmetrical broadening wedge pattern, continuation pattern, while the diamond top second half is a reversal pattern. Please remember, this is the major characteristic of diamond pattern. So friends, please subscribe video in case of not done. Please forward videos so maximum people so they can be also benefited. In a stock market, I seen there is a lot of problem while sharing the knowledge. That is why people are not getting profit. So we trader has to discuss with other traders and make a group of traders, take the help each other and use the information, make a database that everyone can be used and benefited. Please forward this video to your friends, colleagues, so they can learn financial market and make the career. This video is for education purpose. Thanks friend. Thank you.